So this question says triangles ABC and DEF are congruent. So I'm going to draw them. Triangle ABC, triangle DEF. They're congruent, which means everything about them is exactly the same. I'm going to just label this ABC and in the same order DEF, where A corresponds to D and B and E are right angles. Okay, so that means I wrote this wrong, so I'm going to redraw. In fact, I'll draw them again here. So these are right angles. So A, B, C, like that, and D, E, F, like that. So these are not accurate. These are congruent. The measure of angle A is 18 degrees. All right, so 18 is what goes in there. What is the measure of angle F? Well, because these two triangles are congruent, that means each corresponding angle must also be congruent. What does that mean? That means if angle A is 18, angle D must also be 18. If angle D is 18 degrees, and we know already that angle E is 90 degrees, then so far the sum of those two angles would be 90 plus 18, which is 108 degrees. Now, we require the three angles of any triangle, the sum of the three angles of any triangle, to add up to 180 degrees. That's a rule that will never change. So angle F must be whatever remains between 108 degrees and 180 degrees. So I can find that difference by subtracting 108 from 180, and that is 72 degrees. So angle F must be 72 degrees because that's the only way in which angle F plus angle E plus angle D will add up to 180 degrees, which is required. So choice B is the correct answer here.